Okay, installing a second battery on a 2011 Chevy Silverado. There is a tray for a battery, second battery on this 2011, and I do have an extra battery. There's a lot of lights I have on here, auxiliary lights, other things hooked up, and if I don't drive the truck for a few days, battery definitely drains down to barely starts. Sometimes I have to jump it, so I ordered a few things. So the battery itself, and this kit will have everything that I need to run the wire from the starter battery all the way across to the secondary battery, and it has all the fuses and relays, which I will be putting together. I also ordered battery hold down bracket. So these batteries, they have these little sides here, kind of clicks in the original tray, and then the other side has a tie down rubber plastic with a bolt, which is there in place. And okay.
Do you have all the complaints information?
Positive, negative. I took the covers off. I'm gonna put all this together, and I'll show you how it's gonna look when it's put together in a specific way. This is extra fuses here. Negative from the secondary battery. Positive from the secondary battery. It's gonna follow into a fuse. Goes from the fuse to the insulator. We're gonna ground this side. It's gonna continue across the engine bay to the fuse, and then this connects to the positive of the starter battery, the original one that's in the truck. So it goes across, insulator, comes down to the positive, to the negative of the battery, and then you're gonna ground this somewhere to the body or the frame of the truck on the secondary battery that you are installing. Once this is connected, the LED light will light up over here. It says LED on cutoff in 13.3, and then it would go out at 12.8. So anything under 12.8, it's gonna cut off, so it leaves you enough juice to start the truck. Okay, so the wire goes directly from the fuse to the battery. This is a starter battery. It goes across to here to the insulator. I have a extra wire, so I just looped it together, left it there, and then it comes down to the secondary battery. Positive, negative, secondary battery, and then the negative I just went right there to the factory ground. So now we have a secondary battery on this side, and then the primary battery is over there. Now that the truck is started and running, double check all the wires. The light is on.